Here we go. We are going to Singapore today. This is so exciting.
I have all 4 passports right here. We are ready for our trip.
Wow, the airport is so big. Look at the airplane in the sky.
Good morning. Welcome. How many bags are you checking today?
Take off your shoes, please, Tom. Put them in the tray right here.
Anna, look at all the airplanes. Which one will be ours?
Welcome aboard. Please find your seats and stow your bags above. Thank you.
Click your seatbelt on, Tom. Keep it fastened until we land.
We are flying! We are really flying! I can see the buildings below.
Would you like something to drink? We have juice, water, and coffee.
Orange juice and coffee, please.
Look at those beautiful clouds, Tom. We are flying above them now.
I can see Singapore. There it is. The buildings look tiny from here.
Daddy,
There is a waterfall inside the airport. How is that possible?
Welcome to Singapore.
I hope you enjoy your visit here.
There is our bag. I can see it.
I see our black suitcase.
Look, children. That is the famous Marina Bay Sands Hotel. So beautiful.
Whoa! I can see the whole city from here. Singapore is so bright. Mommy, those trees are so big. Are they real trees or not real?
We are 22 meters high right now. Look at the amazing view.
Smile, everyone. This is the famous Merlion.
Say Singapore!
1, 2, 3.
This is a hawker center. Local people eat here every day. Let us try.
This satay is delicious. I want more. Can I have another one, please? Tom, stay with us, please. Do not walk away. Orchard Road is very busy.
Universal Studios. I want to go on everything. Let us start right now!
I am tall enough. I can go on the ride. Look at this ride, Dad.
That was the best ride ever. I want to go again. Please, please, please.
Mom, I can see the sun through this leaf. Look at the lines inside. The water is so warm.
This is Singapore's light show. They do it every night. Isn't it beautiful?
Singapore has many cultures. Indian, Chinese, Malay, and more. All together.
That hat is too big for you, Tom, but it is a good souvenir.
Look. He is looking right at me. I think he wants to be my friend. Oh. This purple ice cream is actually delicious. It tastes like a sweet potato.
Look, Dad. Singapore was a small fishing village long ago. Now it is so big.
I do not want to leave Singapore. Can we live here? I love it here.
I know. It is hard to say goodbye. But we will carry Singapore in our hearts. Goodbye, Singapore. Thank you for everything. I will come back one day.
Sleep now, darling. You had the most wonderful adventure. Sweet dreams.
We are home, back in our country. I hope everyone had a wonderful trip.
Hello, house.
Hello, Cat. I missed you.
But I also miss Singapore already.
Hey, I went to Singapore. Singapore is a small country, but it is very amazing.
I drew Singapore. This is the Merlion. And this is the big hotel with a boat on top.
Look at this photo. Do you remember the Merlion?
That was a great day.
I am making my Singapore shelf. Every item reminds me of one memory.
There are so many amazing countries near Singapore. Japan, Thailand, Vietnam.
Here is your ice cream bunny. I am the ice cream uncle from Singapore.
Remember the hawker center food?
I still think about that laksa every day.
I am writing about Singapore for my school project. I have so much to say.
Next time I want to go to Japan.
Can we go to Japan next, Dad?
Please.
Our Singapore trip was wonderful. We are so lucky. Next adventure is coming soon.